How to copy TikTok video link. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy TikTok video link. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the TikTok app, let's first visit the App Store right here. Or if you have an Android, just open up your Play Store and let's search for the TikTok app. Tap on TikTok right here. And what we're going to do from this page is to check if our TikTok is up to date. Now, if it says open right here, that means that your TikTok is currently updated. However, if it shows an update button, just tap on that because that means that your TikTok is currently outdated. So, updating the app will make sure that you will have the latest features, especially the feature of being able to copy the video link of a specific TikTok within the app. So once you have made sure that your TikTok is updated, let's just head on and open TikTok right here. And make sure that you have opened the TikTok video that you want to copy link from. So you can just scroll through your For You page or your following page as well. And once you have selected a video you want to copy the link to, you should see the share button right here, below the bookmarks button and above the sound icon. So just tap on this one, the arrow icon, and you should immediately see the copy link right here. So if you don't see that, you can just scroll or swipe through these options right here, and let's just tap on copy link right there. And it should load and state that you have copied the link of that specific TikTok video. And you can just easily paste it in on the Messenger app or any other apps that you want to share the TikTok video link to. And once your friend has seen that link, they can just easily tap on that link to see that TikTok video for themselves as well. So that is how you basically copy TikTok video link. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.